Are you tired of dealing with dry, flaky skin? Imagine a skincare solution that not only hydrates, but also locks in moisture, leaving your skin radiant and healthy. In today's video, we're diving into the wonders of Panthenol Serum, a powerful ingredient derived from vitamin B5 that's changing the game in skincare. This serum is not just a moisturizer, it's your key to revitalized skin. So, what exactly is Panthenol? It's a form of vitamin B5 that binds to water and helps seal it into your skin. This means that moisture stays locked in, giving your skin the hydration it craves. Because of its exceptional moisture retention properties, Panthenol Serum is often recommended for individuals looking to repair their skin's natural barrier. Here are some key benefits. Deep hydration keeps skin moist and supple. Barrier repair helps restore damaged skin barriers. Soothing effect reduces redness and irritation. Using Panthenol Serum is simple. Just follow these steps for optimal results. Cleanse your face. Apply a few drops of serum on your fingertips. Gently massage it into your skin until fully absorbed. Panthenol Serum is truly a game changer for anyone looking to repair and protect their skin's natural barrier. Whether you're battling dryness or simply want to elevate your skincare routine, this serum has got you covered. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments if you've tried Panthenol Serum and how it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and here's to healthier, happier skin.